Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, Vlogmas Day 11. Okay guys, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your bean flour for your Akara, the Nigerian Akara. And you can as well use it for moimoi, like exactly the same flour you would also be using it for moimoi, but I'm going to be using it for Akara and how I combined it with my bread. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, you bring your beans, the quantity of beans that you want to wash. Of course, just wash your beans the normal way you would wash it for your Akara and your moi moi. See this particular beans I am washing. I'm using it as a gift to people this season. Trust me, this is a very good food stuff that you can give someone and they will be so happy, like on the go, very easy. And for those of you that you don't know how to prepare akara moimo, you can do it, but because of the whole stress that comes with washing every Saturday or so, you don't bother. Please, you need to watch this, because if you can eventually get your beans flour, it will take you all through 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, depends on how much or how often you'll be using it. So yeah, this is me basically just washing the beans. I don't know how you do it. I hear some people have hack, they say they use blender or whatsoever, but I don't know. But hand is still the legendary. So you can see I think 1 more rinse and we have gotten our beans coat out of the way. So yeah, afterwards I'll just see you guys. The only thing you need to do is to wash, just like you want to wash for your regular akara or your regular moi moi. Afterwards, you drain. You see me draining it with a sieve, and then I am going to sun dry. I don't know how you're going to dry yours. I hear some people dry it in the oven. If it works for you, why not? I've not tried it. I think I should try it as well though. But I do sun dry. I just spread them on the tray and then sun dry. And make sure you are sun drying in a hygienic way. Don't drop it on the floor anyhow. And if you feel your area is prone to fly, although flies don't exactly perch on it, except it is wet, sticky, and smelly already, probably has that bean smell. But if you wash it very well in the morning and there is sun, it would have dried the first water out of it. So I think in the next 2 days it will dry out completely. So that is me just spreading it. Look at it, guys. It is fully dry. I even tried breaking it so that you can see how dry it is. So this video is not doing justice to this, because it's looking like white beans right now. But it's dried, and then I'm going to take it to the grinding mill and grind it. If you have a very strong blender that can grind your beans, and your chest will not be you'll not be beating that your blender will spoil, why not just go ahead. But I did my own grinding outside, and yes, I now was ready to make my akara. I blended my onions as well as my pepper in one, and yeah, look at my beans flour. I'm just trying to test it because it's actually not for me. I'm gifting it to some 1 to 2 persons this Christmas season, so that when I package it in my Ziploc bag, you understand. But I'm just trying to just do a little portion of akara at home now for you to even see how it works. It is very easy. Just sieve it. Make sure you sieve it for whatever got into it, but make sure you sieve it for the smoothness and all. Afterward, mix it with the pepper and onions. After doing that, put your maggi, your salt, and that's on period. If you are doing moi, make it more watery. If you are doing akara, make sure the consistency is not that loosed. I think I talked without mentioning who I am. If you are new here, I'm Chema Vanessa, and I film about faith, lifestyle, vlog, and motherhood. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. You guys are real G. I've been on Vlogmas since day one. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not done that. I beg of you. And you see, you can use the playlist Vlogmas to see every of those, helpful tips I've been dropping with you since December 1st. Please, you guys, go support my channel. I'm giving wholesome content alone. Okay, you guys, you can see here, I'm dissolving the beans inside. I say beans. I'm dissolving the Maggi inside water. I don't know how it works, how your Maggi is, if you can crush it with your hand, but I don't want to make any mistake to dissolve my Maggi and it doesn't dissolve completely and you make a chunk of your Akara and you taste Maggi on it. So no. So I have to make sure I dissolve it. You can see me stirring it. Here it's very thick, so I had to like add much more water so that it becomes a bit loose and all of that. But you guys, it's on point. It's cool right now, and I feel like the consistency, it's okay, it's great. So once you have gotten the consistency you need, the only thing you need to do now is just scoop it and fry. That's all. Should I teach you how to start frying Akara? Definitely do. You guys, that's it. So yeah, I tried as much as possible to make sure I carry along in the whole process. But that is all anyways. This is the Akara. I had to tear it open. I mean, gosh, so hurt, but I paired it with bread combo, guys, and it was giving sandwich. All right, guys, thank you so much for staying true.